In this video, we will show you 2 ways in which you can extend your images or background inside Adobe Photoshop. The classic way that has been in Photoshop for a long time is Content-Aware Fill. Here's how to use it. Open Photoshop on your PC or Mac, and open the image you wish to extend. Now click on the Selection tool to outline the area you want to expand. Right-click in the selected area and click on Content-Aware Fill. A new window will now appear, showing you a preview of the edited image. You can fine-tune the fill according to your preferences by adjusting the sampling area, changing the output layer, and more. Once you're satisfied, click on OK. And that's it! Your expanded image should be ready for use. Lastly, here's how you can use Generative Expand to expand images in Photoshop. Open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Now, select the Crop tool from the left sidebar. Now select the frame from the edges and expand the canvas as per your liking. Then, on the contextual taskbar, select Generative Expand. Here, enter a specific prompt and use AI to add those elements to the image. However, if you wish to let AI spray its magic, leave the prompt section empty and click on Generate. And that's it! Based on your image, Photoshop will generate and expand the background. It will give you 3 options, which you can select from the contextual taskbar or Properties panel. Hope this video helps you in sharpening up your Photoshop skills. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.